internet has changed forever.
Everything you see and hear should be questioned. I, for one, actually got scammed recently.
And it was all thanks to these incredibly convincing fake AI videos. These videos are only going to get better. Much, much better. You know, right now, Veo 3 is probably the worst it will ever get.
You know, Veo 3, that's going to change adult videos, and more importantly, the scammers. Don't get effed.
So, if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe.
Before I get into today's topic, I want to remind you to subscribe. It's completely free, and I cover AI on a daily basis. So I've been thinking a lot about Veo 3 lately because it's kind of across the entire internet everywhere you go. And I've seen a lot of conversation happening about what Veo 3 is going to do for the future of humanity, the future of people. And there are certain things that come up very frequently, but one area where I feel like it's not getting enough attention. So I'm going to get to that in just a moment, but area that you hear the most is Veo 3 AI-driven videos is going to replace Hollywood, because now anyone can make really cool effects in the comfort of their own house without having all this expensive equipment. And I know some people are skeptics and they say, hey, the quality isn't great, there's just little thing wrong here, there's a little thing wrong there, but you got to remember, this is the worst state it will be, and that is right now today. So if you think back, like Veo 2, which launched, what, 3-4 months ago, to Veo 3, that's a pretty massive jump in technology, in the quality of the video. So that is one area I hear very frequently. It is movies. The movie industry is going to be affected greatly. And then after that, I've heard adult films.
Woo! I love everything about the beach, especially these beach.
The one area that I think that people aren't talking enough about is scams and scammers and people that want to just steal your information or steal things from you. Think about voice cloning for a second. I've done multiple videos on the channel. You can actually take a photo of someone, make it look like they're doing something, and then clone their voice to make it look like it was indeed them, which is absolutely crazy to me. It's wild, the world that we are living in. Think about the history of video proof and how that's just like a small blimp on the grand scale of human history. So in like 100 years from now, or probably even 20 years from now, we're going to think back and say, hey, how did we ever even allow video evidence, which is kind of crazy. Think about someone calling you and saying, hey, I need some money, and it sounds like your wife or your husband or your friend or your family member. It doesn't matter. The point is I think scams are going to get rampant, and it's going to increase rapidly. And something that my wife and I have done is we have a code word where if we're ever asking a question that is kind of bizarre, out of the ordinary, we know the code word. So someone might sound like me, they might sound like her, but we know these individual words that are saying, hey, yes, you are indeed who you say you are. So just kind of an interesting take. I've been thinking about this, and I think scamming and scammers are going to increase rapidly. And try to share a video of Veo 3. Try to share the ones that are kind of insane, kind of bizarre, or even this one, because the start of this whole video is just purely AI generated, which you probably know, but try to share one of these videos with someone who might not know, might not be aware that these things are happening, these technology advancements are happening so rapidly, and you might be like the difference maker between them getting scammed and not. So just a little take on today's video. It's a little different than normal. I do cover AI on a daily basis. I try to keep you up to date. The AI world is changing so rapidly. It's incredible, the pace of change, but also just want to put out this like public service announcement to be wary that with change, there is more than likely and most definitely going to be bad actors. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on the video. It tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more AI news, tools, everything. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at franklinai.com where you're meant to be.